Okay, it is Tuesday, about 3 o'clock or so, and the garage doors are closed, so I don't know quite what I'm going to expect to see when we go inside. So let's go to the side here. This should be close to maybe doors or trimming, I guess is next on the list. Okay. Oh, your doors are here. Yes, your doors are here. These are all your doors. And here's your trim for the doors, which will go around them all. There's a narrow door there. That could be for a closet or for the pantry. I'm not quite sure. That wood one there is probably your front door. Let's see what they've signed off on, if anything. Oh, you have energy has been signed off now. And we're just waiting for the rest of the stuff. All right, so your doors are here with your frames. And they're quality doors. See, not pretty, nice. Sear. All right, see what else is going on here. Lots of doors. So what they'll do is that they'll line these all up and they will spray paint them all white. For you. Oh, brackets. You have brackets. Did you ask for brackets? You'll have to let us know. We put shelving units on there for you. Well, it sounds like somebody is here.
Don't touch the walls.
Don't touch the walls. There is somebody here. Hello, how are you?
Good. Don't touch the walls.
Don't touch the walls.
Oh, it's bright in here.
Yeah, it's very nice. So all the texturing is done?
Yeah, ready for the trim guys and the painters.
You should have gotten that on the phone so they could see. Look, he fixed the wall.
That's what I can do.
Alright, so a little more light today so you can see what's going on in here. We have a trapdoor right there, so that would take you into under the house. And here's your nice little potty room. And there's the potty area. Okay, outside. What's he doing?
What?
What's he doing?
He's doing touch-ups and stuff, so it's ready to be painted.
Ah,
He said next they'll put on the trim work,
okay.
and so everything's all on, and then they come through and paint everything.
Paint
one
everything at
time.
one time. Sounds like a winner. Alright, so they're getting ready to paint.
Isn't it bright in here?
Well, the sun is out. It's one of the few days we've been here.
Early for us.
Yeah, yeah, also. And this is your nice big space. All right, yeah, that door out there that we saw, the thin door, that's your pantry door. So your doors are here. They're getting ready to put on the trim, paint the doors, paint the house, and moving right along. So we will finish for today, and we'll see what's happening tomorrow.